Hey guys, so today we are doing forces for lower sec. A force you have seen in primary school already, alright? So essentially what we've seen in primary school is that a force is a pull or pull. If you push something, we say that you are exerting a force on the object, okay? So, or when you pull the thing, then we say that you're also exerting a force on the object. So we are going one step up now. So when we push an object, we are saying that we exert a force away from yourself. And when you are pulling the object, we exert a force towards ourselves. So let's say there is an object and let's say this is us. Okay. So when we pull the object, we represent the pull by a force in a particular direction. So as of now, we do not really use the word push or pull anymore. We just say that the force we exert on the object is towards a certain direction. So there are some instruments that we use to measure forces. We have a spring meter. So what I do is that, let's say, I pull a string to a box, okay, to see how much I'm exerting my force on the box. So if I attach a spring balance here, okay, I will be able to see how much force I'm exerting on the box. Okay, next, okay. So the effects of a force can do a few things. It can either start or stop an object. Okay, so if it's not moving, I can cause it to move. If it's already moving, I can cause it to stop. Or I can change the speed of the object. So I can make it move faster. I can make it move slower. Or a force can cause the direction of an object to change. So if let's say it is moving towards north, wind start blowing in a certain direction, the motion can change. Okay, or of course it can change the shape of object. Like let's say you punch a tin can and then the can change the shape, right? So okay, so these are all the things that a force can do. But also take note, okay, the converse is also true. So what do I mean by converse? Okay, if an object stops, this means that a force was exerted on the object to stop it. Okay, not the absence of force. What do I mean by this? Okay, so let's say that I'm pushing a trolley. I push the trolley start moving. Makes sense. Okay, because I'm exerting a force on the trolley starts moving. And then as I'm pushing, the speed of the trolley maybe increase. And then because again, I'm exerting a force on the trolley. So let's say we let go. We realize that the trolley stops. Okay, the trolley stops not because we stop exerting our force, but the trolley stops because there was another force that was exerted on the trolley in these circumstances. Okay, so what is the force here? The force that stops the trolley is friction. Okay, whenever there is a start or stop, there is a change of speed or change in direction, right? There must be a force. Absence of force cannot cause a change. So yeah, this is an important point here. So take note.